Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you all the basics on what you need in order to use your iPad. Absolute basics. So now I'm going to screen record. You can see all my apps right there. And if you have an Apple Pencil, you can just go to the corner. One of the corners. And then do a screenshot. Or you can press these two buttons and do that. And then on that, you can have markup tool right here. Then you can circle the apps and do like, you can write on your screenshots. You can save it to your files. Or you can take it to Notability, save it to Pinterest. You can also copy it. And then you can delete it or save it to photos, save it to photos. And then, let's say you're note-taking on your iPad, right? And then you want another screen. Then you click those three buttons, split view, and then you can go to Procreate. And then from there you can actually take this, drop it here, make this big, you can use it, you can add to it, you can add pictures to Notability. So this connected to each other, but move it like that, resize it, send it to the back. Notability, you can edit your templates. You can do grid, dotted, you can do some bullet journaling. One of the very few stuff that I use would be when you go here, you can edit your control center, you can add stuff. I'm gonna do that again. Edit, add control. You can do type to series, you can add your notes here, right there. And then in your notes, you can actually draw a picture, have a car. This is not a good car. You can use this magic wand, circle it, and then you get a few phrases. You can be like, I have a house with a car. Then there you can add to the style. I think they just added this. So you can add illustrations there. Send it like that. It's gonna use here the words and there. Done. You got a house there. You can tell it to generate more. If you didn't like it, it'll keep on generating. You can give a thumbs up or thumbs down whether or not you like it. So and also, I didn't use this much, but Stage Manager, basically Chrome. I can do screen size like this. I can do Procreate. I can do this. These are my different tabs. Mode, just have to do that, click that off, and now you just have two screens there. In Safari, this great feature, so let's say you want to read an article about Apple, click this. Actually, not that, you can find stuff too. Article. Let's see, I'm gonna read this. Press read view. Basically on this, you can listen to the page.
The Apple Watch is the best smartwatch for iPhone owners. The 17th of September 2024. Photo, Michael Heschel. By Caitlin
It's
McGarry.
really great. I don't think
Caitlin
no one knows
McGarry
this
is an
feature,
editor overseeing technology
but
coverage.
I do wish they had
She
it
has
in
written
Google
about
Chrome.
personal tech sec with a focus.
And then you can just say pause it. You can also go 2x speed. You can do 1.75. You can do anything. And then you can look it up. Apple Watch. How many times they mention Apple? You can search it. It gives you everything. It's really simple and easy. And it's great for if you have to research some stuff. Please ignore that background noise. And you can make it big, make it smaller. You can change the theme behind it. Also do this. And then to get out of it, you just have to hide reader. There, you're back. But the good thing about the read view is it doesn't show any ads or anything. So like if you look at any article, you can just see it thoroughly and not ask any questions. So that's great. Hide it. You can also groups. I don't usually use Safari that much, but I heard it's great. And also you can edit this whole background by just clicking edit, and then you can also take off stuff that you don't want, so you can have a clean slate. And you can add your own images. Like I can add this, or you can just off it, have no background images. It'll just look like this. Or you can add the recent tabs that you opened and suggestions. Background image shared with you. Everything frequently visited. And you can add, and you can add new tabs like this. I didn't know you could do this either, but you can edit them, select them. I think put them in a group. So you can add in these, 4 of them. Also, you can do like different tab groups on other stuff, I guess. can add a so then that would be considered as your tab group. I didn't know how to use this before, but I think that's kind of helpful because you can have different like folders and stuff. So I'll keep on playing around with this, but this is pretty much how you do it. I don't know if I explained it correctly. This is the first time that I'm actually using it, but like it's pretty great. And bookmarks you already know, history you already know. So click done. You can also have a new group. I want to play around with this more, but cancel. You can have that. You can have a new empty tab group called creativity. Save. So then this I can have my Procreate folio where I post all my art. I don't know if you logged in. So basically, this is all my art, other people's art too. Let me go back. This is mine. And this is my tab group. So basically did that. And I'm also on Splash. This is my profile if you ever wanna. I do have a lot of pictures that I posted on there. See my stats. This is pretty great. I like it a lot. What else? My Etsy. Of course, my Zavco. We will make our first one. I know it. I don't know what that is. So this is basically, and this is our newest design. You should also like this video so you know see me. So let me go back to, so this is my creative tab group. So all of these are my creative tab. I can also put Pinterest too on here, but you get the idea. Wait, one more. Redbubble, I gotta put Redbubble. So this is my shop. Oh, I might just do notebooks and stuff on there, but this is all the creative tabs. So this is my creativity tab. These are my other ones, but I will start using this and getting to know it more. But I think it's pretty helpful if you want to bookmark a lot of websites and stuff, so you don't have to keep on searching it to go back and forth. So, and next is focus mode, which I didn't really do that much. What's that? Custom. I want one for YouTube, just YouTube only. So let's just do that. YouTube. Done. Next. So you can customize apps. So you just want these two. Maybe booklet. You can choose a lock screen, a wallpaper. I'm just gonna do this. I don't know about that. Maybe YouTube only. These had the Thomas at a time limit. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. So now let's go to my YouTube focus mode. Okay, so these are all the apps. I don't know what that did, but until tomorrow. So I'm just gonna put it on my routine. I don't know about focus mode. I don't really like it. It's kind of confusing. But what else haven't I covered? I think that's everything that you need to know on how to use your iPad. It's pretty basics. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you like more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. And if you want this in a shorter form, I might make short content. I don't know what you guys like. So make sure to like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video.